Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you my updated curly hair routine and show you how I keep my curls moisturized and popping throughout the week. So right around 4 or 5 days, my hair is ready to be re-washed and restyled. I like to start off by wetting my hair with some warm water to get any initial product buildup out of my hair or any debris that's been collected over the past couple of days. To cleanse, I like to use Diva Curl No Poo Decadence. Being that this is a sulfate-free cleanser and it's creamy and non-lathering, it's very moisturizing to my hair and my scalp, and it cleans my hair while it conditions it, and I'm able to just detangle it and get all the shed hair out in the first step. After rinsing, I like to condition with Diva Curl One Condition Decadence. This conditioner is a daily conditioner, so when I'm not deep conditioning my hair, this is what I like to use. It's very, very moisturizing to my hair and it gives it a lot of slip, allowing me to detangle easily and remove any extra shed hair. Next, I just clip up my hair and allow the steam from the shower to deep condition my hair. So after rinsing my hair, I grab my Aqua's hair turban, which I'm sure you've seen in many of my videos. I never use anything like a t-shirt, which is non-absorbent, or a towel, which is extremely damaging to the hair. I use the Aqua's hair turban because it's gentle on my hair and it zaps excess water out of my hair quickly without any friction, resulting in less frizz and damage, all while giving me natural volume to my curls. So this is my hair right out of the Aqua's turban, and as you can see, it's super soft. My curls are defined, and although it's towel dried, it's not dehydrated. To style my hair, I'm going to begin by parting it on the side as usual, and then I'm applying Midnight Train by Uncle Funky's Daughter from the roots to the ends. Next, I'm using Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic, which is my absolute fave, and I'm going to use the raking method by combing the gel through my hair with my fingers until I feel that the hair is nice and smooth. Being that the gel is so slippery and moisturizing, this is what makes my curls pop the most. So I'm just going to keep using the raking method through each section of hair, being sure to work in small workable sections each time. Damping the hair with some water from a spray bottle as needed always helps my curls clump together better, especially in the more dense parts of my hair, so I always keep a spray bottle of water handy. For more definition in the front, I like to use the shingling method, which is the curl by curl method, to get the most definition out of the curls closest to my face. Next, I'm applying a tad bit of Eco Styler to my edges just to tidy them up a little bit. And to dry it, I'll be sitting under a hooded dryer for around 30 minutes or so until my hair is like 90 to 95% dry. Usually the very back of my hair, the longer parts of my hair, is still damp after the 30 minutes of sitting under the dryer, so at this point I just reach for my diffuser. Next, I'll be spraying Uncle Funky's Daughter Glossy onto my hands and doing the praying hands method to break up the gel cast on my hair in order to get a softer, more voluminous look without producing any frizz. And that's how I get my curls nice and defined up until I feel like it's time to wash it again, which, like I said, is usually 4 to 5 days or so, but it can last for a whole week. Now, after putting all that hard work into my curls, I have to preserve it the right way, and the way I do it is by taking a satin lined hair sleeve and then I slide it on over my head, smoothing the hair to the back. Then I'm taking a satin hair bonnet and putting that over my ends to keep them protected and frizz-free while I sleep. Now in the morning, I just take the head pieces off and I spray water around my hairline just to reactivate that gel. And then I also spray a little bit of water onto my hands and work that in to reactivate the product a little bit more. Next, I just pick at the roots for a little bit of volume, and that concludes my updated curly hair routine. Yay! All of the products used in this video will be listed down below, so be sure to check out the description box. Go ahead and click the subscribe button right now and share this video, like this video, and comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.